This is our 500 model with 6 meters working table. The full load bending capacity is 13 millimeters of carbon steel. It is adopted with Blma DA53TX system, and the screen is very big. It supports more than 20 languages and is very easy to operate. No matter you're a professional or a beginner, you can use it very easy.
Now I will introduce the structure of this big press-brake machine. Come on with me. The machine is made of the weld steel plate, strong and stable. Double cylinders drive the cylinder. High precision, smooth working. Work table with electric composition makes long parts straight and nice. X and Y axis automatic positioning, actable and stable.
Today we are going to bend the thick plate of 10 millimeter thickness with the 2.6 meter plate. Now the bending work starts. It comes to the purchasing festival of March. Welcome to send us the inquiry. You will get the best discount.
Take it home.